Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to save Gmail messages as a PDF file format on your computer. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Gmail account and then just open up whatever email you want to print the PDF and then select lang tayo dito ng email messages. So click lang natin ito. And then next step, ay kailangan mo lang select itong print icon. So click mo lang ito. And then pop up ito mga kaibigan. And then next step ay dito sa destinations, kailangan mo lang select itong Microsoft Print to PDF. So select mo lang yan. And then next, kailangan mo lang select itong print. And then dito sa save print output as kung saan destination mo siya isi-save. Like desktop, downloads, documents, and others. So select lang natin itong desktop. And then create ka lang ng file name. And then next, kailangan mo lang click itong save. And then close lang tayo. And then ito na siya mga kaibigan. So makikita mo dito yung Gmail messages natin ay nasave na siya as PDF file format. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-save ng Gmail messages as a PDF file format. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.